Anyara?
Kuya, wine ha? Pamilin mo sa wine.
Wine na.
Yes. Afternoon, everybody. We, the second year ECQ, will present a role play entitled The Maiden with a Wooden Bowl. In ancient days, there lived an old couple with their only child, a girl with a remarkable charm and beauty. When the old man fell sick and died, this, his widow became more and more concerned about his daughter's one day, the maiden
The thought of leaving you in the world troubles me much. You are so beautiful, and beauty is the contagion of enlightenment. Not all the purity of a white
Saan
flower
napasok?
can prevent you from being plucked and trampled. My child, your face is all too fair. It must be hidden from the eager eyes of men, lest it causes you to fall down from your simple and deep pride. Always, always very ill, for, for, for it will protect you when mercy comes.
The maiden worked hard with the rice field for her living. One day, the owner watched the maiden working with his grandchildren.
You work well and do not chatter with your companions. I want you to work in my rice field until the end of the harvest.
The maid, when winter came, the wealthy farmer became more probably impressed with the maiden and anxious to help her.
Boring.
My wife is ill. You should like you to take care of her for me.
At length, the farmer's eldest son returned to his home.
Hey son, who is that lady in our house? And why does she wears an ugly bowl on her head? It's because her parents died a few years ago, and her mother is concerned about her future. So she placed a wooden bowl in her head so she will look ugly.
As the days went by, the young man became more interested to the maiden.
Faster.
No, how dare you? I'm just a servant in your father's house.
All